I came back out on Monday, but I pulled a muscle in my back. So I didn't video because I was hurting and I looked pathetic. I did a little bit more clearing today, so all this is open up. And now I'm gonna fall some trees. Those right there, that cluster, those four, those are wild cherries. I want to keep them because I want some shade. But all these little guys, I'm gonna cut them down and I'm gonna count them towards the 46 I have left. I'm hurting. I've done a lot. And they're gonna have to come down eventually. And I think I'm gonna have to cut down a lot more than 46. Well, I know I am. But I just want to cut down 46 by year's end. And right down there behind that tree is the way to the creek. So yeah, all this is open. There's my brush pile up there. So I've been busy. And sometimes I surprise myself. But now we're gonna fall these little guys. Already, but it's been 80 yesterday, supposed to be in the 70s tomorrow. Today was the only cooler day, and so I wanted to burn. Got 2 brush piles burned. I'm just trying to get rid of what I can before they enforce the burn ban, which June is just a couple days away, and that could be any time. So that's why I'm going to fall these little guys today, so hopefully I could burn their branches. I don't know if I'm supposed to make a face on these little guys, but I might be smart and try it anyway, just because even though they're little, I could still hurt myself. I did bring them. Go get my baby head. Hopefully it doesn't get caught on another baby. Hopefully I can do 5 more today. I'm going to cut the arms off real quick and then pull another one. I was wondering which way that guy was going to go. Let's see if I can pull it. kind of liking these little guys. So it's good practice. Like I can still get hurt, but it's not like when I drop the bigger ones. So it's kind of nice just to have it fun and not scary. I'll probably fall that way. I gotta see if it's all right. Still good. Pruners. Let me get these out of the way. That's number 3. Hopefully I can follow those 3 and I'll be at 40 by day's end. I don't really know if I have to cut a face when it's this tiny because that's when it seems to fall. But like I said, it's good practice. I'm thinking this guy's going to go that way and that one will go that way. That's 5. Need one more. I want him to fall that way. This is the biggest one today. I want to see this guy. I can't see it with this on. To go this way. I was wrong. don't have the muscles to do it. Gotta get the little fudge. I was doing good until I wasn't. Again, this little guy that I got for 40 bucks on Amazon, freaking wonderful. I put it through the test all the time, left it outside here for at least a couple days. Don't know if it rained or not, but I mean, because it was 40 bucks, I've just beaten it up and it still keeps going. It's still good. Let me clean these guys up and then we'll see what it looks like. That's 6 for the day. Yes, they're little, but they're still trees. Only 40 more. Got June. 7 months to do 40. Done almost halfway there. Not too bad. For a girl that doesn't know a whole lot. I know enough, but I could still get hurt easily. Could still ruin a chainsaw. But I try to be careful, try to be smart. Let's clean it up and then see how it looks. I'm done for the day. I'm pooped and I'm hurting, but it's a pain I earned. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, maybe those other little trees I'll cut down next time. Those other guys that I did cut down, for being pretty slender, they had lots of branches, lots of foliage. But these guys right here in the middle, I want to keep those. And as I was cutting the wood, I saw this. I just want to show you. I think it's pretty cool. That's from a woodpecker. Like I just thought that was pretty dope. I've never seen one like that before. But depending on the weather, I'll probably be back in 3 days, or give or take. But yeah, I got to cover this ground up to prevent those weeds from spreading. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate all you guys. And please share your info that will help me. Oh, here, before I end this, I do need help. Like I told you, when I was cutting the trees, if it was a Widowmaker, I'd cut it and then it would lean. This guy didn't work out that way. He's hung up on a couple trees up there. And the only way I could think of doing it safely, not really safe, but safer than other things, is to put a ladder up against here and cut it right where it's on that tree, not cut the branch. So this part will drop, because this guy's had me worried for some time now. And I don't want to fall the tree it's on. But yeah, it's hung up on these trees right here also. Like, see up there? It's pretty gnarly. Yeah, it's cut up on 3. So if you could please share on how I could do that without killing myself or hurting myself too serious, that would be awesome. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate you.